Hello guys! Ang isi-share ko ngayon ay yung pagbe-bake ng cassava cake. Simple pero masarap. At ngayon guys ay syempre kailangan natin ng cassava. At dapat ay kudkurin natin muna to at pigain. And then lagyan natin ng 2 itlog. Then lagyan din natin ng 1 cup coconut milk at condensed milk 1 cup din. At yung evaporated milk ay 1 and 1/2 cup yung lalagay natin. At 1/4 cup melted butter lang ang ilalagay natin. At mikos-mikos natin. Then, syempre, mas maganda, mas mabango kung lalagyan natin ng vanilla. Then, mikos-mikos again guys. Mikos-mikos lang. And then after that, ilagay natin na sa baking pan. Make sure pala guys na yung oven ninyo ay i-preheat ninyo ng 10 minutes bago ipasok yung ating cassava cake na lulutuin. Ayan guys. Then habang naghihintay tayo ng 45 to 60 minutes, gawa tayo ng toppings. Maglagay lang tayo ng 1 cup condensed milk, 1/2 cup coconut milk at 1 egg. Then after that guys, mikos-mikos lang natin at maglalagay ulit tayo ng keso, pampadagdag ng lasa. Ayan guys, para mas lalong sumarap, then mikos-mikos lang guys. Then after 45 minutes, pwede nating ilagay yung toppings natin sa ating cassava cake. At yung toppings, pwede nating lutuin hanggang 5 minutes lang, yung toppings guys. Then, ilagay na natin yung ating last toppings na keso. Thank you guys for watching. Sana magustuhan ninyo yung video ko at please subscribe and like. Thank you guys. See ya!